Hello, I'm Mayor Phil Good with your weekly update. September is National Preparedness Month. It was created by the Federal Emergency Management Agency in 2004, meant to raise awareness about the importance of preparing for disasters and emergencies that could happen at any time. This year's theme is to take control in 1, 2, 3, and is focused on preparing older adults for disasters. These 3 steps are: 1, assess your needs. This includes knowing your risks. Number 2, make a plan. Develop a comprehensive emergency plan and preparedness kit that is personalized for you. Number 3, engage your support network. Know how to reach your family, friends, caregivers, neighbors, and others that can assist you during an emergency. This advice is good for everyone and can include things like stocking up on emergency food essentials, having escape routes, and a meeting point in the event of a fire or evacuation notice. Setting up a go bag is also a great suggestion. In addition, be sure to check out your insurance policies and make sure you're fully covered. The point is, we don't always get advance notice of an emergency, but being prepared can save lives and prevent some of the chaos you might encounter without a plan. The City of Prescott works closely with the Yavapai County Emergency Management Department. You can find a link to the County Emergency Management Department below, and they also have a Facebook page with a lot of great tips and suggestions. The city will be hosting a community open house meeting to discuss the State Route 89, SR 89, Roadway and Infrastructure Improvements Project, which is currently in the early planning stages by the City of Prescott Public Works Department. The open house will be held on Wednesday, October 4th from 4:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. at the center located at 1280 East Rosser Street. There will be no formal presentation at this meeting, although staff members will be on hand to answer questions. Residents are free to come and go throughout the evening. To receive future project updates, email a request to be notified to news@sr89improvements.com. You can also view the conceptual layout, learn more about the project, and take the project survey at sr89improvements.com. We have 3 council meetings tomorrow: a 10 a.m. executive session, a 1 p.m. study session, and a 3 p.m. voting session. During the executive session, we'll be briefed by our legal counsel regarding the intergovernmental agreement with the Veterans Administration to provide water services to the proposed new residential facilities. We'll also receive updates regarding the dispute resolution process relating to airport protection areas. At the study session, Council will hear a presentation about automatic meter reading infrastructure and a water meter replacement project. In addition, we'll hear from staff about transfer station operations and the proposed hours of operation schedule changes. During the voting meeting, we will vote on the adoption of amended code enforcement language in the city code. We will also consider approving multiple contracts for the installation of city basketball courts at Willow Creek Park. In the Recreation Services Master Plan, dated back in September of 2007, it was stated that the city standard for the minimum number of new basketball courts needed by the year 2020 should total 7 basketball courts. Recommended siting of these new facilities are as follows: 2 lighted basketball courts at Pioneer Park, 1 lighted basketball court at each of the new proposed neighborhood parks, and 2 lighted basketball courts at the new proposed community park. Currently, there are no outdoor public basketball courts in the city of Prescott. This project would build 2 regulation-sized courts with appropriate lighting located in the Willow Creek Park complex next to the Benefield Dog Park. Obviously, the city is a bit behind schedule on the overall basketball court projects, but this will give us a reasonable start. Other boards, commissions, and committee meetings this week include the General Plan Review Committee on Wednesday at 2 p.m. and the Planning and Zoning Commission on Thursday at 9 a.m. We're still accepting applications for the newly formed Civic Enhancement Committee. The term is for 3 years from December of 23 to December of 2026. There are 5 vacancies for this committee, and the residency in the city of Prescott is not required. The application deadline for this committee is October 30th, 2023. Serving on boards, committees, and commissions provide opportunities for citizens to take an active role in their local government. Members are appointed by the City Council upon recommendation from the Council's Subcommittee on Appointments following review of applications. During the week beginning October 2nd, the City of Prescott's bulk item collection will take place for those whose trash is picked up on Thursdays. Place all items on the curb by 6 a.m. on the Monday of your fall bulk item cleanup week. Please move any items away from the curb that you don't wish to be picked up to avoid any confusion or unwanted disposal. I'll be out of town for the next 2 weeks, so our next mayor's update will be on October 16th. Until then, I hope you all stay well and safe. I'm Mayor Phil Good. Thanks for watching.